Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and today I'm to show you how to make this crochet wig using called Kanekalon hair. So if you like to know, keep watching. So I've got my wig head and I've got my wig cap. This is from Amazon, the Dream Lover brand. It's quite a good quality, not as like the cheap ones. It's strong and it's closed at the top. So I'll be using this for making my crochet wig. Then you're going to need a lash hook and some hair that you're going to use to make the wig. The one I've got is called this curl pattern, very springy pattern. So starting with the wig, I'm going to wear the wig cap on top of the wig head and adjust it properly on the wig head so that the cap is of good size and it's not too small when I finish crocheting the hair on top of the wig cap. So now I'm going to start from the back. For the piece of hair that I'm going to start with, I'm going to open the space at the top of the hair through which I'm going to pass the lash hook, and the lash hook goes into the hole in the cap. Then I pass that through the cap to lash on the hair piece, then close the lash hook. Then I'm going to pull the hair through the wig cap. Then I'm going to remove the lash hook and pass the other part of the hair through the space at the end of the hair piece, and it should look like this. So I'm going to show you close up now, and I'm just going to let you watch what I do. So that's the lash hook opened, and that's the hair to be crocheted on top of the wig cap. Open it up, pass the lash hook through the space in the wig cap, attach the hair and put that through the hole in the wig cap. Then let go of the lash hook and pull the other part of the hair through the open part of the hair at the other end close to the wig cap and pull it through. Because I want the hair to be full and I don't want it to be too bulky, I'm going to open up the strand so it gives it a lot of volume without having too much hair on the wig cap. So I'm just opening all the strands up to form 2 strands instead of just a single strand. So I'm going to continue this process along the wig cap, leaving spaces in between the holes of the cap. So this is it after I have crocheted more hair. I'm almost halfway done, and this is what it looks like. You can see that I left some spaces in between just because I don't want it to be too full. It's best for you to have some spaces, then add more hair if you want to, rather than making it too full. So this is the excess part of the wig cap, and I'm just going to let you see how I tidy it up by crocheting the wig cap down with some hair. So now that the middle part is sorted, I'm going to continue at the front. I'm going to crochet the front of the wig cap now, round the perimeter of the wig cap, and I'm going to pass the last hook on, insert the hair, close the last hook, and pull it through. I'm just going to let you watch how I do that now.